Dearly beloved Mark and Maui, you are here today to seal your love with an eternal bond before the church. I assure the prayers of our community that God may pour out His abundant blessings on your love and help you to carry out the duties of a married state.
Nak, binabati ka namin ng mama mo. Wala naman kaming balak ni mama mo kundi ang kaligayahan yung dalawa ng mga anak ko at ng mga apo namin. Sana sa mga darating pang panahon habang malakas pa kami, nakita namin na maligaya kayo. Lahat ng anak ko, maligaya dapat. Binabati namin kayo. I love you.
I love you.
And I'm not afraid to try. I know where I came from, I can't keep it all inside. I can't complain cause you know you're to blame. There's nothing that I'd ever change now.
Come here to on free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of your husband. Mark, you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of your wife.
Watch the stars turn away all night. You lay in my arms as we're watching the dawn. How beautiful you are this way now.
Dad, finally, thank you for making my dream wedding come true. I love you so much. Thank you for protecting our family. Thank you for everything. And I thank the Lord for you. I love you so much.
You love me. I don't mind your odd behavior. It's the very thing I love.
Maui,
If you
wear this ring
were an ice cream
as a sign of my love and loyalty.
would be
In the name of the Father, and of the Son,
my
and of the Holy Spirit.
imagination sees you like a
Mark,
painting by
wear this ring
starring
as a sign of my love and loyalty.
sunflowers
In the name of the Father,
follow you
and of the Son,
where you
and of the Holy Spirit.
Oh, I've loved you from the start in every single way, and more each passing day. You are brighter than the stars. Believe me when I say it's not about your scars. It's all about your heart.
And syempre, thank you rin sa pag-invite sa amin. Sabi ko nga kay Kay, okay lang kahit bisita lang tayo. Kaya lang, na-promote tayo eh. Parang ano lang, nasa opisina na-promote, naging part pa ng entourage. So, salamat.
You can take your time. Time is said to heal all wounds. Oh, I've loved you from the start in every single way, and more each passing day. You are brighter than the stars. Believe me when I say it's not about your scars. It's all about your heart. Like a lock without a key, like a mystery without a clue. There is no me if I cannot.
I'm speaking on behalf of my mom and my dad. Kasi si mama, lagi siyang nagpe-pray para sa amin na sana yung mga anak niya makahanap ng someone na mamahalin at aalagaan kami ng tunay. Good luck. Enjoy nyo lang yung married life. Even ako, I'm still learning. Pero, ang pinaka-bottom line doon, gaya nga ng sinabi nila, at the end of the day, which is yun naman yung ginagawa nyo, na don't sleep na magkaaway kayo. Always end the night with a sweet kiss.
It's all about your heart. All about your heart.
Maui, do you take Mark here present before you for a lawful husband, according to the right of your holy mother, the church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband? Mark, do you take Maui here present before you for a lawful wife, according to the right of your holy mother, the church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as your husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Well, Dad, I just want you to know that I have saved the best to what I called forever. I will keep you forever and for always. I promise to keep my vision only to you. My love is yours alone. I want you to know that. I want you to feel that. Because a woman in me needs a man in you. Dad, thank you for everything. Thank you for putting my happiness first before your own. Thank you for always pampering me, for always doing your best for me and for our family.
First of all, I want to say thank you for the Lord God. She gave me a perfect wife for me. And I love you. No other woman can take my eyes, my love, my respect, my loyalty, and of course, my faithfulness for you. Ma, Pa, don't worry. I will make your princess my queen. And I will love her forever. I love you.